everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cleaning the microwave and the wooden cutting boards. Before I get started, I will be unpacking the dishwasher. I'm cleaning the outside of the microwave with Lysol. I am not attached to any particular cleaning products. I use whatever is on sale. For cleaning the inside of the microwave, I'll be using white vinegar and water. I mix the white vinegar and water together, about half and half in a small container, and place it in the microwave between 2 to 5 minutes until it comes to a boil. Then I'll be wiping it out with a wet cloth. For the cutting boards, I'll be using lemon and sea salt. I cover the cutting board with sea salt and then I use the lemon to rub it in. I do this for a few minutes with each cutting board. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you later.